notice that I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to be back with you guys. I do have a quick unboxing. I know it is not our normal view, but I couldn't wait to unwrap this and show you guys. This is a blessing, is what I'm calling this bag, baby, for the price that I received it for. I wanted to come and share with you guys. I did order a couple of items from this place, but I have received this one, and this is the one that I'm really super excited on sharing. I ordered this from the Woot company, which is an Amazon company. I don't know if you guys have not, if you have not heard of this company, then definitely check them out. Again, it's part of Amazon. I'm going to compare it to like Nordstrom Rack. It's similar to Nordstrom. So the same way, it's just like they're discounted, and they run specials daily or weekly, but they're Amazon stores. So this is a brand that we all love. It is a Coach bag, and I wanted to share. It came in a box, big box. The box was not damaged. It was a little sunk in on that side. It's fine. And then I've untaped it, so I'm getting ready to open it, and we're going to get to see all together how it came. If you are Amazon Prime member, you do get the benefit of receiving your items Prime delivery through Woot. I did get this bag in 2 days. The only difference is it was not delivered via Amazon. It was delivered via UPS. So I was able to track the package, and again, like I stated, they did packages in a nice size box. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump in. But of course, before I jump in, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I truly appreciate it if you do. It doesn't cost a thing. And if you go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget that notification button, I certainly do appreciate it. For everybody who has been around for some time, I truly appreciate you coming and watching and sharing with me. It means much. All right, well, let's go ahead and jump into the bag. All right, so let's go ahead and pull it out, and I'll go ahead and show you how it was packaged. This is me opening the box, and this is how I open the box, and this is what I see. So let's go ahead and pull the item out. Tell me before I pull it out, you guys, what do you think I got? Tell me what you think I received. Okay. Pull it out. Put the box over there. All right, you guys. Here we are. If you guessed, I have the liner. You guys, this is not the liner. This is the Brooklyn. This is the Brooklyn, you guys. So let's go ahead. She did come factory wrapped. Let's go ahead and check her out. Pull it out. All right. Let's see here. Set her right here. And go ahead and show you if you're interested in the bag. So this is not the liner. This is the Brooklyn, as I corrected. And it is in the color dark stone. Dark stone, you guys. All right. And this is the Brooklyn size 39. All right, you guys. She's beautiful. She came fully factory wrapped. Again, they run specials, you guys, in sales. And I just cannot believe when I originally saw this, you guys, as I talk to you guys, I'm going to show you the story. And I'm going to go ahead and unwrap her because she's definitely a keeper. She's fully wrapped. So the special was $179, I believe. Let me just check, you guys. I believe the bag was originally $179. Now, you guys know this bag is a $500 bag, so $495 is the price of the bag, I believe, and I am correct. The bag was on here for $179. What a steal, right? But the thing is, you guys, this bag was supposed to be black. So when I initially ordered the bag uh, was supposed to be black. Okay. Per their description, they said the bag was black. So I was super excited, and I'll share with you guys what I seen on Woot. So this is what I seen on Woot, the black Lana in the size 39, and it was $179, you guys. It is currently sold out now, so if you're going to look, it's no longer there. But when I received the bag, as you see, this is not black, right? This is dark stone. So when I received the bag, if you follow our group, the group on Facebook, I started seeing a lot of people saying they were not getting their black bag, that they were getting this dark stone. Now, I'm not mad at the dark stone. I actually love this color. I do have a Brooklyn in the size 28. It's fully packed, you guys, in the size 28, and I have it in the dark chocolate brown, in the brown. This gives me a brown, actually it gives me like a milk chocolate type of brown. And I probably should have brought my other Brooklyn down to compare, you guys. I mean, this thing came stuffed, you guys. When I say fully wrapped, it came with the Coach bag. So yes, I got that. And I love that they put this inserts in to show the shape to keep the shape of the bag. So, and I'm just simply unwrapping her and taking her all out. So, getting back into the story, you guys, like I said, I'm just going to unwrap her and put all these items and stuff over here. Because like I said, I'm going to keep her. She's definitely a good workhorse bag. You can fit your laptop, your iPad, whatever you need in this bag. Now, you guys, when I got this bag, like I said, it was supposed to be black. So I had seen a lot of people posting they got the wrong color. So I'm like, oh, I really want the black. But if I get this, I'm not going to be mad. Okay? A lot of people were calling. They said, call Woot. We did. And Woot was giving us a discount because what happened is, they said 189 people ordered the bag. That's how many they had in stock. I'm going to go ahead. And it is a slouch bag. So I've unstuffed her. Let's go ahead and unwrap her. So again, people were posting in the Coach Gone Wrong group, and they were saying that they were getting this color. Some people were like, I really wanted the black. I personally didn't care. Just the price alone, the deal in itself, it didn't matter what color it was, as long as it wasn't chocolate that I had already received. So there is the Coach tag. I'll have to get my scissors for that. So as you can see, it has the original $495. And again, like I said, they had it on sale for $179. It has the Coach Gold stamp there. I'm just checking out the bag, making sure there's no damage. Does not have feet. It is natural full grain leather. So natural full grain leather. Okay. It has it's just one big gaping hole, you guys. It has inside, it is fully leathered. So inside you have the magnet closure. And then when I tell you that magnet closure is strong, if it gets close, look you guys, as soon as it gets close, it snaps. It has one pocket inside. Let's see if I can get you guys to see the pocket. And it is a snap pocket. You can see on the outside, it has the lining of the size of the pocket, as well as the Coach button with Coach logo here. It's just to show outside because it is one big piece of leather. You see the threads. Again, no feet. It is a 1941. There's the logo, the hidden logo. It does have one key loop inside. Let me see if I can show you. The bag is just really slouchy. But inside, that you can connect the charm, your keys, or whatnot. The bag is soft and buttery, you guys, just ooey gooey. So, getting back into the story, you guys, again, it was $179. Well, because they sent us the incorrect color, they started issuing out discounts, you guys. So, I started seeing people say, call call Woot, and they are going to distribute a $60 discount. Well, you guys, the bag was $179. You subtract the $60, and it's still you're roughly paying what? Roughly $110 for this $500 bag. So everybody started posting in the chat. I got my bag. I called. They gave me a discount. Well, I started noticing they were giving different discounts. Some people said 40, some people said 50, some people said 60, some people said 100. So when I got my bag, you guys, I made sure I contacted them. They asked for my order number, they asked me for my email address, and I gave them that. And once I gave them that, before I can even ask for a discount, they were stating they were aware that there was a massive issue, that basically they uploaded the wrong picture. This should have been the bag on sale, but because they uploaded the color black, they were making it right to everyone, so they offered automatically the discount. So they offered me $60, you guys. Well, also, not only did I make a purchase, but also my sister. And my sister's bag came, and she had came to pick her bag. Well, she's on the phone as well talking to them, and her person offered her a $115 discount, you guys. Now, you guys, I know you're like, whoa, 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 whoa. $115? Yes. So when she told me that, I stated, well, why are you guys giving a different price? The person I spoke to said, well, we're only supposed to be giving 30% back, 30% back. I said, well, my sister just got $115 credit. They like, well, can you give me your sister's order number? You guys, I gave them my sister's order number, and they gave me a $115 credit. I kid you not. And I could not believe that this type of deal that I received was crazy. And I'm going to show you, if I can hide the information. I want to show you my actual discount that I received. But in doing so, you guys, this was a perfect bag for me. I liked the Brooklyn in the 28, but I wanted something for travel purposes. And I think I found her for a wonderful price, might I say. But I also had bought this wallet, and I don't know if you guys remember me buying it, and I hadn't gotten anything to match it just yet, because I purchased it when they came out with the real pretty colors. And so I'm going to share with you why I showed what price I received on this bag. You guys are not going to believe that I got this bag for that price. It just blew my mind. I'm just going to take some of my information out, and then I'll be able to show you guys the pricing. But yeah, you know, I appreciated Amazon for making it right. And I know they took a huge loss, you guys, on this bag, because like I said, they automatically were offering $160. And I just could not believe that they were offering $60, you guys, off of a $179 bag. But like I said, they were. While I'm taking out my information, I wanted to share with you guys. I can't want you to be able to see my personal information, so I wanted to edit that part. But I'm going to show you guys the discount that I received. Now, like I told you guys, I did order other bags, so you will be able to see my total. But I want you to pay attention. The most important piece is paying attention to the discount, okay? All right, so here we are, and that's the bag. And you guys, look at this. Look at this. $115 refund. So you guys, you see that price? $179.99 is what they were charging for even before they discounted this bag is well worth every bit of what it is. I just couldn't believe to find this on sale for $179 first and foremost. But you guys, to get $115 off, I literally only paid $64 for this bag, you guys. $64. So I am like, holy smoly. Me and my sister posted in the group like, hey, you guys, oh my gosh, we got 100. And no, people were not believing us, but we truly received this bag and they gave us $115 credit. So I'm keeping her for sure. For that price, there's no way I'm sending her back. They gave you the option of sending it back or taking a credit. I'm taking a credit. But I wanted to show you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I purchased 2 of these zip wallets from retail. These are retail. And I purchased the fuchsia in this color. And I hadn't necessarily bought a bag yet for this. But look at that, you guys. It matches perfectly. Look, I hadn't even used her yet. She goes with this perfectly. And I can actually take her apart. And you see how the bag's just real flexible. If I want to, because remember, inside we have that strap, so I can connect her inside like so. You see that? And she's in my wallet. She's in my purse. You guys, please tell me, did I not get a deal? I've been on a hiatus because I've been sick, but to come back and receive such a huge blessing and savings of a bag like so, I tell you, I cannot be more excited. I am super excited. I'll be going out of town soon and I'll be carrying this bag as my carry-on. As you know, she is a huge bag, so it's going to carry a lot. And if you guys are interested in the wallet, again, you have a card slot here. You have 1, 2 here. On the back, you can put your identification or additional cards. And then inside, you can stick money, your key fobs, or whatnot. So now I officially have a dark stone wallet that officially matches my dark stone Brooklyn bag. You guys, tell me what you think. Tell me, can you believe this? If I wouldn't have shown you how much I paid, would you have believed that I got this bag for $69? $69. You guys have to check Woot out. They have some amazing deals with other brands, but Coach pops up on there every now and then. And again, this company is an Amazon company. So I have some additional Coach bags that I purchased. It should be here today. Once it comes, I will do another video. But you guys, thank you again for just coming and sharing with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it wasn't too long. And again, go ahead and share in the comments and let me know if you have a Brooklyn bag, what color you have. Do you like them? Like I said, I have a size 28 and I have now officially a 39. So I am super excited. There is one more Brooklyn that I would love to get, and that is that beautiful blue. But until then, I'm ecstatic, you guys. So without further ado, thank you again, you guys, for coming and sharing with me. I truly, truly appreciate it, and I will be seeing you soon. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, you don't want to miss when these type of sales happen. I'll share on my post so you guys won't miss. And maybe one day you'll get this opportunity to receive such a blessing. Other than that, you guys, you have an amazing day and an amazing week. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Bye-bye.